In electrical power distribution grids, the dropout fuse cutout is the ultimate line of defense. Utility linemen and field engineers constantly face catastrophic field failures when left open in harsh weather. Hanging fuse barrels trap rain and snow. In winter, this water freezes, expands, and splits the fiberglass outer shell. Over time, moisture ingress causes the inner organic lining to rot and degrade. Worse yet, under high amperage short-circuit faults, inadequate hoop strength leads to violent tube bursting, leading to continuous arcing and grid failure. How do you select the right arc-quenching fuse tube for your specific grid, environment, and interrupting capacity? Today, we take you inside our precision manufacturing facility to break down the material, science, and selection criteria. Product 1. Pure vulcanized fiber tubes. Voiceover. First, the industry standard. Pure vulcanized fiber tubes, often called bone fiber, made from high-purity chemically treated cellulose. Its main advantage is its high gas evolution property. When exposed to an electric arc, it instantaneously releases neutral ionizing gases to extinguish the arc. It is the cost-effective, time-tested choice for medium voltage applications in dry environments. Product 2. Vulcanized fiber-covered fiberglass tubes. Voiceover. To eliminate the risk of tube bursting under high fault currents, we engineered the vulcanized fiberglass tube. This is the workhorse of high-voltage fuse cutouts by combining the excellent arc-extinguishing inner lining with a cross-wound filament-wound epoxy fiberglass outer shell. We achieve massive hoop strength. This composite design completely prevents burst failures while providing excellent exterior weatherability. Product 3. G10-G11 epoxy fiberglass tubes. Voiceover. For applications demanding extreme mechanical load, high insulation resistance, and thermal thresholds, we provide G10 and G11 epoxy fiberglass tubing. G11 incorporates a high-temperature resin matrix, boasting near-zero water absorption and exceptional rigid structural integrity under heat. These tubes are ideal for heavy-duty fuse enclosures or high UV environments, preventing the tube from warping or bending out of alignment. Product 4. Synthetic arc-quenching fuse tubes. Voiceover. For coastal, tropical, or highly humid areas where traditional fiber linings rot, we developed our synthetic arc-quenching fuse tube, utilizing a proprietary moisture-resistant synthetic resin and an organic fillers. It provides stable, carbon-tracking free arc-extinguishing gas evolution. It completely overcomes the hydrophilic flaws of vulcanized fiber, making it the ultimate solution for next-generation smart grids. Ultimate field reliability comes down to rigorous manufacturing tolerances to solve the industry-wide headache of interlaminar delamination. We utilize an integrated composite winding process. This ensures a flawless molecular bond between the inner vulcanized fiber and outer epoxy glass, guaranteed not to peel or separate under extreme blast pressures or thermal shock. To address hardware assembly issues where end caps don't fit, our digital curing ovens tightly regulate resin shrinkage. Every single tube undergoes centerless grinding, locking inner and outer diameter tolerances to within. This ensures your metal hardware crimps smoothly and seals tightly against moisture leaks. Whether your design requires external knurling for grit custom drilling or precise internal threading, our CNC machining centers deliver clean edges with zero fraying, chipping, or burrs. From classic vulcanized fiber to high-strength composite wraps and moisture-proof synthetic linings, we don't just manufacture tubing, we engineer high-voltage insulation solutions, eliminate burst failures, defeat moisture degradation. Contact our engineering team today to request data sheets, order samples, or customize your proprietary tolerances. Choose the right